In this video, I will show you how to navigate and apply for student, nonprofit, and promotional discounts within the Wispr Flow platform. Let's get started. First, I'm checking the Flow discounts page to see that these savings are available across all major platforms, including Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. As I scroll down, I'm looking at the different categories of users who qualify for a discount. It's great to see that students and educators can receive up to 50% off, and there are also dedicated savings for nonprofit organizations, military members, and senior citizens. Now, I'm moving to the section on how to apply. I can submit my request directly through the support webpage or the desktop app. I need to keep in mind that if I subscribe through the Apple App Store, I'll have to cancel that subscription and resubscribe through the website to use a discount. Once I submit my details, the support team will verify everything and reach out to me via email with the results. I'm also exploring the promotional offers area, which explains how trials and special badges work when signing up through third-party partners. If I have a promo code to use, I'll head into my settings, select plans and billing, and click on the option to add a promo code. After I type it in and hit apply, a checkmark will appear to let me know it's been accepted. If I see an error message, I'll just double-check the code or ensure I don't already have an active promo on my account. It's a simple and transparent process to ensure I'm getting the best deal possible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.